To Yobe State, where more than 13 persons have reportedly been killed and 51 injured, while about 107 houses have been destroyed after a windstorm wreaked havoc on some communities in Yobe State. The windstorm affected Abari, Sumsuma and Pompomari communities in the state capital, while mud and block houses and government establishments were also destroyed in the wake of the storm. Yobe State correspondent Michael Ashoma reports.
A sad day for residents of Abari, Sumsuma and Pompomari communities in Yobe State. The affected victims are left to pick up pieces of their displaced belongings, while others repair the damage done to their shops and roofs.
A hazard that we did not expect, and it's something that we were not ready for, but it has happened. Just looking at counting the loss that we've incurred.
The Executive Secretary of SEMA gives an update on the natural disaster.
Also, this morning, the data is showing over 100 households were affected. Most of them are in the outskirts of the town, but we are doing everything within our reach to see that we have responded to them. His Excellency has directed that we should provide them with succor within our available resources.
Governor May Malabuni visited the affected victims at the hospital and the families of those that lost their lives.
It is most unfortunate that this tragedy has claimed lives and the loss of properties, which of course we are doing our best, inshallah, to help the victims and to ensure that we do our best as a government to renovate some of these affected buildings and to help the victims to ensure that they are settled properly.
Governor BUNI directed that the victims should be treated free, while some undisclosed amount of cash was given to the victims and the families of the deceased by the government. Michael Ashoma, TVC News, Damaturu, Yobe State.